siasa ni tumbete kuthirwa karugendo ikarario na nandi senate ni barombere kuthirwa bakiringa kura utuko na gwita governor kana gwita Kawira Mwangaza ja governor wa Meru bogetera ni kuona options iria Kawira na chio jaraja batire kuthirwa jagikarika kumani na watho. Eric, good morning.
Morning.
No agiri
Muchokia nkatho kiri Amiru na Murungu kwa gutwa kanya gake.
We really thank God.
Na nyakura kurari na manto mega.
Signs irare signs and symptoms.
It's a win for Meru. Bugaga in every situation irero, especially kiri institution yetu ya katiba yokari ya Meru. Either way it's a win for Meru. It's been a fight
the journey
has been quite long. But finally we are here. Na it's a win for Meru. Kibon tentarechwe jiri no at the end of the day. Mantuza jonde jare tiruwa to the benefit of Meru. Rikana Meru ni tiru iri anto aega na miaka iri itiri. Now it's 2 years. Mweri jwa
actually August ni turathiririe iri tariki kenda
na activity iri karite kaya tukarita miaka 5
akato kulinga kura kairi
kabisa kulinga kura kairi event yagoro ni kinyaniriye Kyoto kya application kana itagarire MCs badite na it's only the results iria probably step ejiri iria MCs bare ku materia embere gwita assembly komurita na kumwita kwa kanya kuja gwitetera rajairi kutho Kawira treasury gwitetera pamu pitch gwita assembly na area nuko na urakurakariro na hizi ni kuona ni experience iria MCs pe intervenio you people may talk of political siasa lakini MCs team yao ni rare na experience kudhura ya mbere you nefropile negwire ejire beta bakiriduce na bakigeria kuchwa wit yao eje advantage yao ne bombere go prove that maiti jara jonde but tagite no Kawira
na diditi
na regardless how you look at it ni kwa farm that maitia
regardless of the siasa
kabisa jara kinyanire and I really thank to see young people, especially the young lawyers.
They did a good job.
But mostly camp children, there is also young
exactly
the other side baiku na space hizi ni kona ni generation hii tena moja
wakili with the really inspirational.
Yes, they really inspirational na one kambuge at the end of the day ini kuona ni institution chetu they are working itibati kwethira omba kuga nandika wetere mbeza chiwe kana una sheria lakini tuwetere to the decision at election kairi kwa hivyo ugaga no kabato Kawira Mwangaza miaka 5 eje tuithurire kairi but you see institution yetu aero katiba yetu ni kugeria tutumba ku postpone thina no mwanka to solution yayo ko this morning is a camp kuna camp ya go celebrate but I wanna uphold that it's a win for Meru regardless position area senate take the same case the the second one when senate MCAs lost it's a win for Meru because at the end of the day utobati ko take credit ni mo Meru akinyanire kuona service yao ikeja kwithirwa kwe muntu mogere mbege jotonya nchugune
uteithagia nchugu
na ndika wegeria kweberia guchwa ndawa kurambea kana kugeria kuthiria thineria itikombe kwe ku ikeja kuthira MCs baronere thineria irio imama na baadhi bitisha KMC ke Senate then we also need to appreciate the journey that they walk now it's upon and Meru ko reconcile na kutumikira mu Meru na mitira ngogi na kuensure mu Meru ko gain loss inene tutitenchika toma ku recover 2 years we can't recover the loss ya miaka
miaka
iri but I hope that goodwill ya leadership kana thirikari yake joreo ikomba kuikira male confidence na tubati kutha twiro agandoe kuthura batu atukwenda kwa a city status because no ntuba kuringa na uratu tukari ko tutha twina a lot of things tubati kuthithia na tukachokia miru are yari au gatene no ntuba kuthura miru antuba miru bendeta guchithira ngo ni environment but kwewa environment yes ka cool down kidogo now we get to work for the miru people.
What next kiri MCs meaba tu ndoe na bwana
one ibarogere digite proceedings cha nini jawe mushahidi munene senator Ojo Mawira na ugire vetere holiday. I don't know whether we take the first thing is
with a holiday
kana 15 inge kana iku ensure that now it is dust ourselves and focus ya Meru because one imberema iku reta healing you see irrespective of divisions radio I think Meru MC is the first thing now iku ensure reconciliation area na kuna ende ku ensure there is kuna service delivery because pobo ngwa di catalysts ya ku ensure service cha Mumeru chukinya na kyo kya mbere I think the best thing is not to celebrate for MCs but I feel it's the right time now ku ensure kuona ni nande there's urabona ni timu Mumeru that kana Kenyans that nguge MCs nguge MCs inainya that they can inspire other counties to ensure their governors. Meru tieti ne akimiru la thina. I think there are several counties they suffer the same fate. But MCs but no batrombe could take a bold step to ensure their accountability. Inspiration is that ni probably how to meet them and agency to ensure there is accountability. I think also other counties also should learn from Meru to ensure accountability ya governance. Non to boku dhura into birabio the karimitonaga to receive into bingi more lakini in terms of accountability ikaja kudhura together neo erari ultimate goal ya MCs ingwitikia one together twina win inene mono nikengo insist this is a win for Mumeru won the erari na ku ensure reconciliation ekwambirane to the betterment Mumeru ra tutageta rukiro narwa nororere na wirigiro na kintu kina ku agree that even the coming leadership and it's about time to prove the naysayers barabu gagatre it was known to be personal kana personalization ya kudhura is agenda or something bakona guitangoge then kinyamo Mumeru kethro kinyamo Kenya orora orthugana ya indo ya agenda kana ikanjira preagwa ikona and service delivery kambire kuona ni then kinya because orambitikania Karimi county yetu ya Meru it's
cosmopolitan of course in everybody
kinya baraba kauma raome enye kurare thina ikeja kuthura tukweberia thina irario then kinyora face ira turai menya nuje Karimi uromara ugethenya kuntu fulani ugathia society na tharakaniri Meru no ntana ugoru ugore no na ibu actually it's na ibu nene mono but kambuge kinyawo ni that Meru irrespective women women but take it a center stage could make decision could tell Meru mono now we celebrate women in terms of leadership only I see it where uranka really na nyadhiro conversation to kudotenda ugo na it's also in ku inspire generation nyingi even you as a person as a ready you need to inspire the generation nyingi kugwa ndikuga ni we are tora ndwera because of agenda na niyo I think where this impeachment from defense side iraruze refocus na iraruze in that stage
no agreed kucheza agenda
card but I agree that the other team they are very prepared but rari kuenda ku involve themselves kiriro ariero kuthoro ni mokuru kana ni the all focus yao irari menyiri na evidence
na meya jawe what options ziri kuna andika wira na chiona impeachment eri kiuga wa impeach kinyagite kya monanda
yes
utekionaba
true it's regrettable kambuke non to boa the journey that Kawira Mwangaza has walked it's quite inspiring to other women
of course
but you see when it ni kinyanto amwe kwethora nawe behind na probably you don't ukeja kuria kwerawa you also need to understand appreciate the journey you've walked na journey ira imbere yaku no unande impeachment is ni gintu kikinene muno kinya wangu aringithirwa ari consider kinya mantu jara probably MCAs bararaia kana community raraia kweberia mantu jara no tunande kwethira ukwingwa as an through an impeachment process ikononia gitiginya kya
obisi mwingi utikarira
no kona urai affected waitito na appointed bondi ya kweberia ruji muru na atiumba it tells you that this now no unless you go to kwe mwara ugaga no ngana ndi witira kanisene wende
kanisa ne leo
bishop ndi tokweka anya wendere and that's only the option tukawira mwangaza unless pursue the legal process which is now which katiba yetu ni yetu that's why we actually celebrate democracy yetu na inya nafasi ya kuthura uwe no yekanya kangiga gwita guchwa ukioto kotini na ingwitikania na court yetu chithero china chomba mwaka anya kumuthikira the only problem tumba ku reverse what reverse the impeachment the only thing you can do is find whether there are loopholes in the process you know, process yake because at the end of the day senators batari na kanya kuthikira imaita barathingatine kedana murakinte metaratara kuna go kara kawiro magwita kotini igwita kurungika one swelling ya Ntwethinkia deputy governor lakini ikeja kuthura gazeti notice ikauma na bereta kotini na swelling ithithwe then it's a done thing lakini ngwitikia akaenda kugeria uria
she's a fighter
yes
she's a fighter
absolutely maybe that's why I appreciate journey yawe it's more fight no nduginya kutsinda election irera leo it was easy
of course
but it are como advice actually we've done our civic duty actually as a mwete kanyaga kumwama waitha na inya senators the first impeachment nagerete kwarirwa the second impeachment aya inya council na kugeria kwarirwa but you see mwatha kirira mumiro ganura
wikia of course
na ndege kwira kiawe atio kiori then it's a done deal it's a done and dusted na it's also regrettable that career ya politics it's come to an end kuringana in case deputy governor as well in on the day katiba ten visage a vacancy, especially a CEO.
Of course.
Now, the swearing, yes, when the gazette notice the shortest time possible, within probably the 48 hours, governor swearing.
Unfortunately, that's now katiba.
Katiba.
Ina dhine makosa ja mbere ja kawira baingi bare yagi kumenana na DG maybe arindi chokanira na DG apart from ina kawira atiri mukaro
actually kawira atiri umbitika probably kawira atari na plan ya gutsinda gitekia ataiji agachinda na the way uraka work through after winning
manifesto like plan
yes plan ya ku move kana ku maneuver through the governance no ndurire achindire he started fighting muno na wewe ngoko naimbukaga wewe ngoko disassociate na affairs assembly when there was a leadership okutsinda kena chika kando
you know procedures
but you see you the moment you ochinda the moment ochinda na we knew sana nobody could take time kuthoma what is happening at the moment kawira mbiriri atonyere the first day narina unbuga narina goodwill inene muno now there was a way of kuna starting point ere ngono every mutongeria utoto atendre ninga I think kireito akiuta atendre swearing ni yawe area kinu
bejere bonde bamethika everybody
bisa kawira narina goodwill inene muno ya kwambiria bwega but the moment kire Biblia nderea herito auga nikieka ichini
Biblia chini
agweka ndegorweze wake that when hell broke loose no she started fighting each and every person on Oroku kinyake the problem keza naru nkajoin an institution county you don't utomba kura kila mtu you no chwaga fight umbati utona kwando wachao chaingire at the initial stages the second impeachment started na mtu ithinkia na ndo yewe kuingia niona ndi mantu jawa jangara tandire the only thing mbugaga at the moment it's also a running process thing kine mheshimiwa urokeza probably we are now to think probably if akaswa in inyawanga na pati Quran you don't start fight before land this system you know to the day okay ja kudro te kothomora ukara especially governance yombo ku backfire nere ya backfire ke karimi ki mheshimiwa governor Kawira Mwangaza but see Kawira wengo noe madina chonde
arugurire andu baba ingi muno
pisa imbuga nyanja kwaku imbuga mpeja na nyangerekano ngeja kuthora nyakwa kunja kungwa repo na ndoa na problem na spouse okuna kana moko
mwekuru
bukeja kuthukirwa ni antu baombe
you joka ya tonya nyomba
yes bwamba gwika differences chenu bukambiria
kura njoka ezi mbere
lakini the moment you decide ugo utekwenda kuwathanira mokuru utekwenda gukara na ana baku bukathanira no utekwenda yani you want to fight a battle kila mtu you choose ndoa ile ubati ku focus I give examples inyingi mono kulingana na ura president kana Ruto wewe ngoto wetu ndambiririe ndo ikuingia mono chiawe Gen Z for example previously ikwambiria ibare na ndomono na problem na batika na team yawe triga na wana deputy president but only the best thing let me join kwa to me kada to ya mo kuna enezi no ntoto ala yako watanira then kodangwa na kwatandire tudorero then tutomba ku sort problem
na mundo agateka advantage
mundo agateka advantage then weaknesses you on the chaplay ki governance Kawira Mwangaza and then ultimately Kawira Mwangaza result yao ni kwa impeached na wengo athletic kiti aka impeached that's the only politics tuomba ku do anything ku rule out anything arad na strong legal team itakuwa inene mono na lakini orirwa you find to political balance in the political way and also the legal because it's a quasi judicial process easy article place so you need also to balance non to ekeja kodro the first time no era an opportunity the second time you also got an opportunity kinyaba babo kuthikira bakambira kure curia is really the MC is the problem or kinyago steps ka initiative iro to keep to ensure there is koina ngwataniro now I think the entire process ya mheshimiwa governor it's purely been driven by a lie na kudoja kana kuebera tiwe ni unge narikana I was looking at the entire process utuko no tutra mamire na responses chawe ukona she missed a lot of things na probably arambankite na noria activist bakuga
balaji bamawira
but nyama yangu atrombera ku focus na more of meya jawe kugeria kuchieberi na one reader did a great job in terms of kwapia you see you also need the witness wa county assembly jawe we doro ronde
micro sniper
no micro sniper remember also reader
Linda yes Linda Kiome na forgery how did you even get there
you don't do that imagine na tena kinyawa yango rinda courage ite ku clear not bore they are prospecting nyingi chembere you see if you look at your career make you on the and also document ile kona chi presented to nobody could stand na ma baromere parare mero go prove the original copy ko ne kona nande au niona nde mantu jaja rabire gwita at south don't if you are the custodian
photocopy document in original lazima iresa
iniro na kuthura nande process ya kuendelea kwa rongo na hiyo ni rombire kuhikira muuri manto kwambira kuthuganya manto maingi na inya kuthura inyorero submit their documents for example if a communication cha memo thirikari ne chitho china you have to receive somewhere na mbati kuthonya receipt ya ku receive mtu na receive but you cannot prove tiketho tukomba ku prove that ndaikiri ndakuretere a memo then economy au kuina kaurongo patikomba ku approve ko where we sit economy Kawira Mwangaza failed to kuitetera wengwa na maite jara leo ekeja ko dare mbakuthera kuitetera then it think it take another different time.
Let's talk about voting pattern ya Senate. Just the other day Eric Toerero mama gutonya UDA beja murumo sana if you remember murega bwana uchonya gitike secretary general ku register but in real sense bakathuri bagweta bethera mama ate register ya UDA technically karari ka kenke ka UDA. Is it a case of the government eating its own people nontoka tekera voting pattern ya Senate UDA ibo baralingire kura Kenya Kwanza ibo baraniri mama
I think there is UDA party in a plate nkuchanio na ichonde ikana the first impeachment mawera Nigeria kuga it was more party Rhyme.
Of course.
UDA was front line. Na kuna inducement kana kuthora kura na threat na intimidation ya kuthithia. Ko party nerenda ku distance, nerenda ku clear. You see the leadership party nerenda ku chieberia mantu na jamwe. Ikaja kuthora jora probably is a decay I mean motion arogere nyawe ngo na tumiri baroga UDA na UDA wanted to distance himself from the issues chamiro na ikeja kuthura no kone mtu ena thina na party na ruling party also need to crack the whip na ima UDA majority but not UDA yake ndo nenya Jubilee party leader I mean member Duro
Dulo.
Yes.
She's Jubilee, right?
Yes. Na ringire we.
Yes.
Na ringire yes. Jina arari. Yes. I think team ya Kawira did a strategy to ensure that he wins the minority side, probably kugeria kopasi kugeria kusukuma. Na kingi na kio the failure yawe ni kugeria kuimplicate Mheshimiwa Kadhuri.
Big mistake.
Kabisa, a big mistake.
Kumbere Senators Bange.
Na remember, he's also leadership ya UDA. He also played a key role in the leadership era. Na bwaka mono Senator atero mbere nyako respond. He see also kirire. Au kirire.
Ara poste agenda yake na intaka kufinish kumalo.
Yes. You see leadership ya Kawira atombere atejere ku join imboga Kawira atejite ku join UDA Kawira ejite to be a friend of the party to create an enabling environment yawe kugiria ketho akona kanya ga kuthura na ndinya ina event ichi chejite ni umukaria plus kuna event chejite cha kuringa leadership kurira chejite nonto ataije naenda kukuthura mero at least nonto nakuga mero atongere bobo ba UDA bobo mukadira muno nendete kuensure kuchenchia leadership yo na kuensure akwa involved kiri utongeria bwa UDA mero ko kiwe gutagaria gwita kwa friend ka kwa associated na kiama kiria itare kuthura hakara ku ere it also a win for her that nyawe ikandicha wa play that in at the event that the election is a political party akethura kumera influence yewe ko ensure antu bawe bari kiamene ko atalifli kuthura kenda kuthura gutonya kiamene but you see a leadership kiama kia UDA na no ruling party ni kwena ni tegete meru as a support ira yorete meru na ni kwenda kuensure meru iri at a unit in a unify in area amwe iwatandirite na kuensure party je bago vote in the party line, then there was a need, probably leadership in the there is a need to ensure Meru area egwatandirite non to probably future ya kiama giki na kuthora kwina mutongeria kuthora wina musimamo jo ku ensure that akarungama kinya kethora ati kiamene akethonye muchore akethora na inye kuwatane na Meru ko involvement ya UDA kana the majority side ku ensure ku favor Kawira kueberia Kawira Mwangaza ikuonania UDA itrari kinya kuja kwawe itronete ina batironete ini gain batikiona kile gain ini from aside lakini the only option ila kumweberia at least ku clean up Meru ku ensure Meru ria nto iwatandite pure political positions chirombere ku take center stage na ku ensure governor Kawira Mwiru akwana ko to me UDA played a role ekoberia Kawira Mwangaza. Remember ukatega the 14 members barale kuringa kura kana bara to abstain to vote ikuonania bonde barali from the other side na inja problem bagweta kamuguchi barone numbers itekongana chao the best thing they only decided
disruption
go distract yake yone all focus yao to ensure that time iko thira no dingman I was already chiatigera ndaka ki 20 and debate ndenda kuthithwa ya kwali
the time was another one.
Yes, time was another case to see ikitho mekone activity nyingi mono na sometimes araji na uga probably either na aravi indicated or not because it can as well be a shameful thing where members don't stand kana ku vote their party line kana ku ensure ku kadai kuringa kura ndikadai ku vote kana ku kurega itabati ku disrupt itabati kuejana na nafasi whereby each and every member kai an opportunity ya kuthera kunenganira either dissenting view yawe na kuthera ni view ya kuthera ku uphold the impeachment ko activity ira onekanira goro iko ni party rights chira played
a big role
though the minority lost na majority non to render okay what we required is a simple majority which was around 24 members na threshold ni rakinyire na speaker announced the appeal.
Is it kukwethirwa UDA nira kana Kenya Kwanza ibo barengire mama, is it a reflection of Kenya maybe the president nyona aranogi Meru rabaranogi mantreze?
It's true dikana kambuge president na ugire no severe Kawira for the first
yes na uga tunamsaidia kumanage
and I feel like na ugire wengwa I remember the interview na ugite wega na kumenya there is a weaknesses irio in terms of governance na ku be akate
na an example na mama
na the problem you can kugura the nature the icha mtu wengwa kuchiendera ikija you all learn our mistakes pole but you given a chance also to improve yourself
na redeem
governor Kawira Mwangaza na hari opportunity the first and second opportunity ku ensure menya tuga gari monya kethoro utigintu igithukuja kuinyia president thai na aranenganire itebira binene to the opposition leaders lakini ataberua the president
of course
still the president ainyia ikija kuthora Kawira Mwangaza na hari opportunity ku inyia but also is running to kuga probably may odoma from an experience probably other governors are running from or even urokeja ku run from it's about time ugaganade interest chaku chiongwani bati ku probably set aside na probably na advisors probably barawi nabo well it's about time uinyie na u reflect ura with it mbere ko president na team ya probably na ikunoga no ntukinyimba kuganya wogwa nurale akanya kakuthiriria manzo zaje mbere ya kijana no ntunarare nyene muno no ntokori yugo wina power ira nyingi by the way
you are the actually senator Karen Nyamu senator Karen Nyamu if I can retrieve nini araugete you are the most yani we senior most politician ndene ya Meru by the virtue that nigwe governor so gukaraka gita konthe nkuchwa nini yu ya Karen narugite atire very weak grounds to uphold an impeachment. The threshold was missed by far. However, a political decision had to be arrived at to save Meru from the back and forth. How are you not able to deal with your people? As governor, you are the senior most politician in Meru. You should be the one doing the victimizing, not the other way around.
Yes.
They're not complaining of the same. All in all, it's a sad day from G7 to G6. Painful.
It has already been G6. I've never seen.
Utaona 7 years.
Utaona 7 years.
Actually, tunaona mama inya nikirima
True,
governor
utaona
ba
7
muwanja.
years. Na one is true. You know, senators are varied. Though atasa.
Ugo gatura we victim na igwe munene buru.
Na trikuga kwa ndobeo because you hold the power. You hold not only the power alone, you also have the resources to ensure that everybody is sawa.
Matarabu na ndimo ekuru igoro ndaigiru akiuga Meru ina kasumba ekulego. Is it really?
No, not really. I think that's where actually she really messed. Non to kwegeria ku ensure that kuga ti Meru batende te kutongero ni mokoro na leadership yekoro. It's quite unfortunate because remember Kenya Meru to na leadership to na ekoro baba inge batongero different
inya institutions inene kidrikare parastatos
na they did performed very well. Lakini we focus here assembly was purely incompetence, a lack of inclusivity, na kudhura wengwa it's me alone. Na akiore kimwaro ukuiro the first impeachment was bringing a pastoral to individuals. MCAs were taking initiative through a petition that a very antibaba. But now you did also take an initiative to clean up. If you find there's an issue, walk around the grow clean nyombeku. At least no corner. Lakini ndio tukona there is no initiative or take as a governor because also the administrative issues chokaira from the first second impeachment no tugomba gukalaka whip iketho myokona umwara muririe nikio tathogani nyako thithia broad base you see also
kama mkuu
yes you many akona re because at the end of the day we keep on learning from you can never be perfect you learn from governance bank uraba kuthithia and also sat down ninya anaba wita anabaku you also need to also learn nyatonge toka nyomba ana mango karende ko you have an interaction kwa radie poko atandire uragwa karoro ntola yako
karande to senior most
kabisa no leo kutikaneria
tokagarura thirikari
ultimately governors should understand MCs play a key role in future yaku kana kudetermine noroke na governance kara to the benefit of mwananchi
kana kaba uthirie
I think kaba uthirie on naugere
actually kuna clip ndona aja akiuga bagwitiria na impeachment bathithia ate gutuma metero ikwaje kibereti yana akinjogu na to MCA ni mbinene
I think miaria yo ni ndo I think pride come before you pride ni ndo kumono na arrogance na ku compare MCs na wonka na I think yani irakinyeta to a point koromba gitike MCA Meru utore na nyaka iri buru
let me tell you
utore ngida a level ira problems is rare au kinywa is there is no need to have an MC why would then inspire young people to vie for because MC probably is as ikitikia ku propel to probably to ensure we mtu mwite kana we na nafasi ya kuambira koromba gite ukona kwa uguita ngugi and then ugaitia it's a play umba kukeria lakini at a point anakawira rati au kinyia gite MC hari au githire buru that buru no tunyore ngikwa koromba gite MC utengienda because you have nothing
to kimaria
kabisa which is unfortunate
very unfortunate
kawira atrere ekembugaga kurega kwerewa gitike MCs are very key
and politics is very local
that's
politics is very
politics local kinyakuja kugogeto otedi munene nambi
upper ground
na you also need to kurudi nyumbani kwanza ensure that ground yeku na ntobaku bakariboga na bakwa involved in the running process cha county nageja kudhura because everybody had an ambition of course tugaga representation MCA na rose cha idatu
of course
but remember kuna dream yewe na antuba probably akwenda kuleta on the table lakini kethero etikwa embraced au ni problem ijaga na tena amwa ku empower their barongi nabo opposition kana ku empower nya what admin ku ensure but ba kuwa powerful more than mtoro thuri ku represent moja kwa kawira ndo ichonde chia kamilate
ichira ramisire the point
na it's unfortunate that we kawila from doing a journey tewe ndikide mono withero walkite that journey and ultimately omakolema kuroba gitekengi in future ko lakini tukaga kironda ka gwitemera
gite murimo
na ndiko ori ampari but she also have an opportunity to gwita through the legal process if time come around but it's unfortunate she akolose. You know, you feel it because okay, jakodora ogo you've learned ugeti ranjani ya kuromba kura
na governor especially governor the senior most in the county
in the county I really sympathize with that, but you see also there is also a genuine point of it that it's kind of itumba kudori ogwe all through you only be you go a victim as you've rooted. And then abo bangena bore what ni kedwa yugo ka kids about to go korwa. You also need to understand leadership yugo na yugo the unifying factor what ingoge equity to ensure that things are streamlined.
Fair enough. Now here comes DG and Memuta the fourth.
Yes.
Here comes Mr. Mutumanto Ethinkia. In case akeja kwithirwa Kenya mumana kwa governor wa bana wa Meru. Arithira staff ba yani they have a lot. Staff divided, number one. Number two, ena intre ya guchokaniria Meru. Meru mea kwina thina na I mean that peace factor intre antu ithinki yani ina mantu jama ingi muno ena assembly ekureta amwe ena tongeria bangi bakureta amwe ena staff bakureta amwe ena staff baguchokaniria maybe kubono ntundegirwe ZK akiargue that in Meru County omba kuthirwa gothithite mantu fulani lakini ugachithira in a different yani ena intre ina so much
kabisa. I think to think ya tidro na koki imboto to ensure that Meru
to bring Meru back to its glory.
But starting point we can define how he finishes because you also need to sit down first and hearing kwanza and also ensure that antobara ba bena kalia pavio iraki tanto Meru that tutumba ku grow mea waeja wan koge ino batiburu no tina kalia ya kwirio but it's upon our responsibility in case as well in ensure to inspire team area because of course you need to inspire kureta confidence kairi kiri workforce to ensure that even appraisal yao kana kukura kwao kuketha kwina under merits kuketha kwin merits non to the day Meru irale kuthoro nande mogodhanio zatikwereka
na tebe daktari umebatisi vitari
true daktari health services is also it's almost nil kageo collapse public sector Meru keraria trees deathbed corrupt corrupts. Then also there is a county assembly divided in 2017.
Team dialogue wako wapi?
Team dialogue nande. I don't know. Ntuko na narago kakarwa, but they tried their best to ensure that now it's about time now they call for dialogue.
Yeah, sure.
If they were really genuine,
the real now dialogue.
We need dialogue to ensure. And then also I will ask the assembly not to victimize any of. It's about now.
Nyabo I think in assembly babati nandi kuita team dialogue, team mama, team wanga
bagezamwe to the betterment ya Meru. Na even if it is leadership ya assembly nayo I think kila mtu apewe share yake. If it's also committee obarade it's also now we need to start
we align
kabisa. Don't the other day is like now to kidero to think ya so very anytime soon then it's like now we've started afresh. Now it's upon him now to start afresh. Very very fast ikeja kuthora nandi alignment I ensure that every corner ya Meru in a representation every corner ya Meru they feel been a representation yao kana nyama endereo jakethori nyakethori tunini I think the each and every corner ya Meru ithro ina gantu ka kuigwe.
Yes. Thank you so much Eric nonto bako tuonera kanya. Let's wait and see how things unfold. Tuira kwa siasa nenda yake 10 nyingi mono.
To me is very true. I wish Meru kemana mono kambira Meru kuingintu kimambuga ga siasa tutupatigwe kangoro. I keep on kabisa they keep on insisting that Mandagol na tuire manto ameka mono. The moment you siasa jayagoro na we need to breathe it out. Ikero maurineri na to rau na regardless whether your neighbor ara supporter mama or la ara supporter assembly the best thing now is to go attendere to run from one another and ensure Meru working again because at the end of the day ultimately Meru naitingo gimbaga mono na only they require the environment ya ensure kugechiao chikwendera na mbere ngote kiatongere na bo baka embrace tukare hamwe tugwatanire to the benefit ya mwananchi na nya assembly ku ensure ku facilitate nonto ne catalyst nandi ku ensure nonto ibo barambirire janeje then they need also to support the executive irekeza na ku ensure na nyawe the leader wa executive ku ensure either iko thega carefully tekeja
wotejo kuma junde nano thega mabokando kiuga goko thondeka yoma
Okay, Zari executive read where Mheshimiwa I think I know he's a sober guy.
He's very sober.
You also need to sit down around table. Leadership is purely sharing ideas.
Utina monopoly knowledge.
No, someone who can sit down with and have a conversation.
Exactly.
That's also we missed as a Meru community. Someone we can sit down, reason with, and now kudronande the need the Meru with an ambere kudronande focus yetu idrite we all carry the dream. Na dream carry nawe ni read ni mutongeria jawe na ndika wira rali mutongeria no issues irero. I think muto think you should make a difference in terms of we have a lot of hope that if we get the mantle akaona ni leadership na carry the mountain carry on the dream ya Meru either to make it better or to make it ora mukorokera itoga to make it I don't know
to make Meru great again.
But the best thing is to ensure Meru is a unit.
Kingangi is a whole topic by himself. Yeah, his words imo atwirire gitara campaign it has come to pass. Akarire jakiroria. Let's wait and see what happens muthikeria. Atutege atuthiriria umutegeri wa Weru TV ngwetekia atukugaga kaome kanini na itukwenda muno gucokerutira rungino ntubo matha tumbe kutha tugietera tone ure mantu jakethurwa jagita na mbere no ntumiru iji mambo mengi masaa machache sana. Ibwega sana.